You bought 12 cookies and you want to share them equally among 4 friends. How many cookies does each friend get? Or here's another way to think about it. How many times can you take 4 cookies away from 12 before you run out? 3 each. And that's not a coincidence. Those 2 questions are actually the same question. By the end of this video, you'll be able to divide any whole number using long division, check your answer, and know exactly what happens when 0 shows up. Let's start with that cookie problem. You have 12 cookies. You take away 4. Then 4 more. Then 4 more. How many times did you subtract before reaching 0? 3 times. So division is just a shortcut for repeated subtraction. Instead of writing all those subtractions, we write 12 divided by 4 equals 3. The number being divided is called the dividend. The number doing the dividing is the divisor. And the answer is the quotient. We can write this same division 3 different ways. Here's a powerful idea. Division and multiplication are inverse operations. They undo each other. So we can always check a division answer by multiplying back. Try this one yourself before I show you. What is 42 divided by 6? Pause if you need to. The answer is 7, because 7 times 6 is 42. The check confirms it. Now let's talk about 2 special cases that trip people up, and they both involve 0. First, what happens when you divide 0 by a number? Say you have $0 to split among 3 friends. Each friend gets $0. 0 divided by any number is 0. But now flip it around. What is 10 divided by 0? We're asking, what number times 0 gives us 10? But 0 times anything is 0, never 10. So this division has no answer. We say it's undefined. Remember the 2 rules. 0 divided by a number is 0. A number divided by 0 is undefined. Don't mix them up. Now, what about bigger numbers? You can't always do division in your head. That's where long division comes in. Let's divide 78 by 3. Step 1. Look at the first digit of 78, which is 7. How many times does 3 go into 7? 2 times, because 2 times 3 is 6. Write the 2 on top, above the 7. Multiply 2 times 3 to get 6, and write it under the 7. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now bring down the next digit, the 8, to make 18. How many times does 3 go into 18? 6 times exactly. Write the 6 on top. 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 minus 18 is 0. So 78 divided by 3 equals 26. Beautiful. The check works, so we're confident. But division doesn't always come out clean. Let's try 1,439 divided by 4. 4 doesn't go into 1, so we look at 14. 4 goes into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract 12 from 14 to get 2. Bring down the 3 to make 23. 4 goes into 23 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract. 23 minus 20 is 3. Bring down the 9 to make 39. 4 goes into 39 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract. 39 minus 36 is 3. And there's nothing left to bring down. That leftover 3 is called the remainder. To check a division with a remainder, multiply the quotient by the divisor, then add the remainder. 359 times 4 is 1,436. Add the remainder 3, and we get 1,439. It matches the original dividend. Here's a real-world moment. Cecilia bought a 160-ounce box of oatmeal and wants 8-ounce servings for work. How many bags can she fill? 20 servings. That's about 3 weeks of breakfasts from one box. Division turns a big number into a useful answer. So here's what you can do now. You can divide any whole number using long division, handle remainders, check your work by multiplying, and you know that dividing by 0 is something the math simply won't allow. Next time, what if dividing a number leaves no remainder for some divisors, but always leaves one for others? And what does that secret tell us about the number itself?